The 2026 Triple Crown 7 feet by 12 feet ATV trailer is a practical and durable hauling solution designed for transporting ATVs, UTVs, lawn equipment, and other recreational vehicles. Built with a sturdy frame and finished in sleek black, this trailer combines reliability with convenience, making it an excellent choice for both work and outdoor adventures. Equipped with a 3,500-pound single axle and 15-inch tires mounted on white spoke wheels, this trailer provides dependable performance and smooth towing on a variety of road conditions. The rear ramp gate allows for easy loading and unloading, while the removable side ramps offer additional flexibility when transporting multiple vehicles or equipment. Whether you're heading to the trails, managing property maintenance, or hauling gear for weekend activities, the Triple Crown ATV trailer is built to handle the job with ease. Its straightforward design, durable construction, and versatile loading options make it a valuable addition to any hauling setup. Ready to haul your ATV or equipment with confidence? Contact us today for pricing, availability, and rent-to-own options with no credit check. Reserve your 2026 Triple Crown 7x12 ATV trailer today.